I'm not trying to be break even. I'm trying to see a banger. You feel me? I'm trying to see a winner trade. Alright guys, it's me, TP.Jordan, or if you know me, my name is Kamar. We're gonna do a trade recap. I got a new laptop. I'm not gonna break this one.
Is this nigga serious?
Um, Today was pretty whack. Let me stop saying my bad, bro. But I have a new eval. It's not new anymore, but I've been trading it for about 3 days now, 3, 4 days, and I break even on it. The first day, well, first 2 days I lost 500. Then next day I made 2,000, so I was up a band. Today I just lost a band. Now I'm break even, and I've been at this break even stage of trading for a few months now, where I start making good profit, and then all of a sudden it just I'm flattened out, or I failed the account. So I'm gonna walk you through my trade today, and then this is also gonna be a series of 30 days of one trade a day. That's it. And I'm gonna make this a series on purpose, just so I have to post this video. By the way, I have to post this because if I don't post it, I might not stick with it. But I have to beat myself at this game. My discipline has to be better. Now, and also know that my camera's a little laggy, and it's just not that clear. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get like an upgrade soon, but just bear with me. It's good content. You're gonna love the video. We talk about trading, learn some more. Oops. Yeah. So let's get into it. All right. So here's my trade for today. On NQ, this is paper. Don't worry about that. But going into today, 9 o'clock, we just dumped for no reason. And here's what I was seeing. So, I don't have replay mode, by the way, because I'm like, broke right now. And don't have any money. So they cancel my subscription. But anyways. So you go on hourly, here's what we see. This blue candle, all the way dumped. Dumped all the way down. I'm like, okay, fine. We should probably work our way up, but before then, we should probably take a New York low or some type of low at the bottom. We should do that. That's what I'm thinking, right? And we got news at 10 o'clock. So I get on the charts, about like 9:20 something. I was already, don't worry about it, bro. I was up before then. I just actually like locked in and looked for trades on the charts at 9:20 something. That's what I mean. So I was looking for trades at around like 9:20, and I see, okay, we inversed here, but we rejected here. This is gonna go down, but I didn't take it. I was too hesitant, and price this right here shot up really fast and then dropped. So I'm like, okay, what's 9:30 gonna do? 9:30 comes up, comes down, comes up again. I'm like, oh, okay, well, maybe I just shouldn't take it, and I hesitated, and this would have been a beautiful trade to take. Bang. Even if I didn't take this, I said in my head, literally, oh, look right here. This is a respected fair value gap, and it broke structure, $3, blah 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 blah. I'm like, okay, fine. I should probably buy out of there, but I didn't, and I could have ping pong this down to up, and I could have been done, or this rejection here I could have taken, but we were going into news, and I didn't want to trade news. I didn't want this to like drop drastically down on me, and I didn't want to be out of luck. So I didn't take that. And I know, dang, you suck, bro. And today I low-key did. So, yeah. So news came out. I didn't want this to like, consolidate here and then just drop. I did not want that at all. So I waited. So as I'm waiting, I'm like, okay, fine. Where can I get in for a sell? Because I'm expecting a sell simply because we on 15 minute and 30 minute. On 15 we tapped our fair value gap that we made. On 30 minute, forget this candle, look at this one. I can't do replay. So I have this fair value gap with this wick, with this candle, and then here's our 30 minute that I was waiting for it to enter to get a sell, which you see it rejected pretty nice. So what happened, Kumar? I'll show you what happened. So this was our 30 minute fair value gap. What was also above it? Liquidity. So I'm like, oh my gosh, this is an amazing zone to just take a sell out of. Like this is an amazing zone to take a sell out of. We see that it's a respected zone. In 3 minutes, there's no way it's gonna inverse 3 minute. I said this, and I was right. It didn't inverse 3 minute, but this was just a bad timing thing. I did this like 3 minutes after news, so it still had some sporadic changes, and it just didn't go my way. So it came all the way up to reject, and yeah, so it stopped me out just to really do what I wanted to, and I got back in. So this was already like this was like negative 500, and then also before then I accidentally got into a trade, so I was down 180. So here we'll do the math. I'll do the math on the screen with you guys too when I edit this. So I'm down 187, then I'm down like I was like it was like 535. So now I'm down $722 on the day off rip. I should have been done after this trade, but I'm like, dude, this I know this is gonna hit. I know it is. You feel me? I know I can make some money off of this. So that's what I'm telling myself. So I get in here. And I know what you're thinking. Why would you get in here exactly? And I was going all the way down here again because I mean now I'm down $722. Well, I was already gonna go down here. This was my take profit to begin with. Down here. This is my take profit. Like right here. So I know what you're thinking. Why'd you get in here? It didn't fully inverse. I got in here because on 3 minute, the overall confluence rejected and respected this for value gap, meaning we should displace to the downside. But what happened during this trade? Price comes up, and of course I was trying to secure some profit, so I got stopped out there. And then, before I even get to that, let me just finish. But then price comes down and ultimately respects the bullish movement because we broke structure here. Bang, bang, bang. Consolidate a little bit. It didn't know which way it wanted to go at first. It's making lower highs, lower highs. I'm like, oh, okay, we're good. And then it shoots up. But while I'm in this trade, I'm up like 500, something like that. I'm not trying to be break even. I'm trying to see a banger. You feel me? I'm trying to see a winner trade. And that's on me. That's on me. I should just close when I saw like $600 and got off for the day because I shouldn't trade 2 times a day. I should trade 1 time a day. But look, so I see this happening. I'm like, okay, we feel this 1 minute. Great. We should be great going down. I'm not checking 2 minute or 3 minute right now because I'm so excited seeing this 1 minute. So me not checking this, price starts coming all the way back up, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what's happening? And then I get stopped to break even. So now I'm like, oh, okay, well we just inversed to the upside, not thinking anymore. I'm not thinking anymore because now I'm thinking about money rather than what's going on in the charts. So now I'm thinking, oh, okay, we should just be going up right now. So then I got in here. Oh, by the way, so with me losing that right there, no, I didn't like lose it, but hold on. What was I saying? I didn't lose. I secured like $300, $200. So we'll say 300. So now I'm at, oh shoot, hold on. So now I'm at negative 422 on the day. I'm down negative 420 on the day. And so now I'm like, okay, fine. Let me just make this other money back. Fine. Let me get in here. So now I'm going long. I'm like, oh, okay, bet. This is going long. I'm just going to get in now. I'm not going to wait for it to come back down. I'm not going to wait for anything at all. And y'all see how this went. It immediately pumped down. No matter where I put my stop loss, I was not going all the way down here with that anyway. It would have got tapped. And I really was going for under here if I was going to go all the way down there. And that would have got tapped. And so then I reached my daily loss limit because I also clicked too fast and got in twice. So the trade only really went down to like this zone here. So yeah, reached my daily loss limit. I did good at first because I didn't trade any of this chop. I waited. I was patient. So that's progress. I didn't trade this chop. I didn't get mad over the chop. I was patient, waiting for a setup. My first setup failed. But I didn't fail because I was wrong. It just failed because price just wanted to move up a little more. And as it did, then it came down. So if I waited for this, and let's just say I was 0-0 in a day, I would have made like $600 because I'd have been probably no, I'm lying. I probably would have been break even because me seeing this, I would not want this to get inversed. That's a bad sign. So and I got in here. Yeah, I probably would have just been break even on the day. And that's better than a loss. So now I'm break even overall on my account. Today just wasn't that good. Not gonna lie, at least for me. I know other people probably banked on some trades, and that is what it is, bro. But I'm starting a new challenge where I'm only trading once a day. So yeah.